Good afternoon. I would like to discuss the computer that you never see running the world. First, imagine walking into a factory with 100 machines running at the same time. Robots moving, conveyors indexing, motors starting and stopping, all perfectly synchronized. I work in this type of environment every day, and one of the things that fascinates me the most is that people never realize or see the small computer that's making these decisions every second. And that computer is called a programmable logic controller, or PLC for short. Today I want to explain what a PLC is, how a PLC works, and why it plays such an important role in modern manufacturing and everyday life. First, what is a PLC? A PLC is an industrial computer designed specifically to control machines and processes. PLCs were developed to replace large relay control panels like you can see in this picture. And it makes it much easier for these systems to be modified and maintained. Instead of having to rewire this entire cabinet if you need to change a process, an engineer could just simply install a new program. A PLC reads inputs and sensors and switches, processes logic through instruction sets, and it then sends commands to outputs like your motors, your robots, your solenoids, your relays. Now that we understand what a PLC is, let's talk about how it actually works. PLCs operate using something called a scan cycle. The scan cycle involves three main steps: reading inputs, executing the program logic, and updating outputs. This happens extremely fast, often in just milliseconds. Many PLCs are programmed using a ladder logic, which you can see in this picture here. It visually resembles electrical relay diagrams. That makes it much easier for technicians and electricians to visually see and understand to troubleshoot these control systems. Understanding how a PLC function helps explain why they're so important today. PLCs improve your efficiency by automating repetitive tasks that normally would involve or require constant human interaction or intervention. They also increase safety by monitoring emergency stops, light curtains, and other safety circuits in your work cells. In addition, PLCs collect valuable production data, and this allows companies to track your downtime, monitor your quality, and improve overall performance. In conclusion, PLCs may be computers most people never see, but they are running much of the world around us. Today, we've discussed what a PLC is, how it operates, and we've also discussed how they operate through the scan cycle and why it's essential in modern manufacturing. So the next time you see a robot arm moving or production lines running smoothly, remember that a PLC is making thousands of decisions every second to keep everything operating safely and efficiently. Thank you.